Look at this book. Who is in this picture? He is Keeper, Chip, Beef. Who else in the cover? Mommy and
Gigi.
Daddy.
And Floppy.
And Floppy and
Teddy bear.
Teddy Bear. Daddy is holding a signboard. On the signboard it says sold. Something is sold. Daddy has bought something.
即係有人賣咗啦。
You are right. This book is called House for Sale.
This book house for sale.
Yes, house for sale. Look at this house. This house was for sale. How do I know that? Because I can see there is a signboard said for sale. Daddy passed by the house. This house is for sale. It means you can buy this house. There are 5 big windows and 1 main door. Daddy crossed his arm. I like this house. Mommy said, I like it too. Why don't we take a look? Yeah, sure. We can get in. Beef tied up Floppy on the signboard for sale because Floppy can't go in the house. Floppy is waiting patiently outside. Beef and Chip look at the house. Hey, Beef, shall we get in? Yes, Chip said. Shall we go upstairs first?
Naughty keeper.
Naughty Keeper is pulling the wallpaper. He's trying to remove the whole wallpaper. I can see a lot of dust on the wall. Mommy used her finger to touch the wall, and her finger become gray. Because all the dust is on Mommy's finger.
佢會同媽媽擺落口唔洗手。
Yucky! No! Don't put it in your mouth. Look, they went into a room. This is the living room. Everyone likes this room. Everyone means every single people here. Beef said, I like this room. Chip said, I like this room. Daddy liked this room. Mommy liked this room. And Keeper liked this room. We can say everyone liked this room.
佢係 he she 佢係 everyone 佢係媽咪 pig 佢係 daddy pig 佢係 keeper
Keeper, yes. Keeper put his head into the chimney. What is a chimney?
即係擺啲火落去，跟如果好似落雪好到，跟住就擺啲火落去，跟住就好溫暖㗎啦。
You are right. We can put the charcoal in the chimney and light up the fire. It can keep you warm in a winter night. The children go upstairs. They open the door and get into the bedroom. It was a big room. Look how big it is. The room can fit a queen-size double bed.
Naughty keeper
Keeper is jumping up and down, making all the dust flying off.
跟住
Who
咧，
is coughing?
佢咧就咳口咳，跟住就咬。
Chip is coughing. No, stop, Keeper. Don't jump on the bed. So Chip goes to the other room because he can't stand for the dust. He goes to the next bedroom. It is a big room.
Naughty keeper
Naughty Keeper again. What did Keeper do? What is he doing?
我做一次俾你睇。
Yes, you can.
Naughty keeper
Naughty Keeper, he jumped and sit on a chair. But the chair break. Boom! Oh no, Keeper hurt his bottom. Chip is laughing at him. They went down the garden. They go to the backyard and they see a tree house. The tree house is a house on top of the tree. Keeper start climbing up on the tree house. Look, next to the tree house there is a fruit house.
The house house 啫嘛。
See, it's a house for the little bird. The bird lived in the bird house. Shh. Keeper climbed up the tree and he get in, followed by Chip and Beef.
No, keeper.
Beef and Chip climbed the tree. They went in the tree house.
Keeper.
Naughty keeper pulled a can down. Didn't realize there was a bucket of water in the can. Is it clean water or
No.
dirty water?
Betty.
I think keeper needs to have a shower when he get back home. Look, Chip is standing in the tree house. He breaks the ceiling and he can see through from the leak. After all, everyone likes the house. Everyone means Daddy liked the house, Mommy liked the house, Beef liked the house, Keeper liked the house, Sheep liked the house, and even Floppy liked it too. So we can say everyone liked the
唔
house.
係啊，唔係佢話男仔叫做 she 正 he 啊。
If it is a boy, we can say he.
He
He liked the house.
跟住
How about Mommy?
he
No?
she
She
like the house.
She liked the house. How about Beef?
She like the house.
She liked the house. How about Keeper?
Maybe
Is Keeper a boy or girl?
boy.
Boy. Okay, so if it is a boy, we can use he.
He and the house.
How about Chip?
She okay.
Is a boy or girl?
One.
If it is a boy, we can say he.
He like the house.
He liked the house. How about Floppy? Do we say he or she for Floppy?
She.
No, if it is an animal, we say it. It liked the house.
Like the house.
Yes.
Mommy.
Everyone liked the house, so Daddy decided to buy this house. This house is not available for sales anymore. That is why Daddy is holding a signboard saying, sold. This house is sold. Nobody can buy it because I have bought the house.